Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And one of my viewer doesn't understand Hindi, asked me to make this nail art videos in English. So this video is in English only. And today I am going to make some more pattern using these needles. So let's start. So first of all, apply a base coat of a transparent nail paint, and then use these color nail paints to create patterns. So I have taken here two colors, maroon and black, and I just simply will do like this. See this? And for second pattern I am taking this pink nail paint. Here I am taking three colors. Now take black color in this maroon nail paint, and now just move this needle like this, and this is a pattern. See this? And for third pattern I am taking this maroon up to here. After this I am taking this pink one, and on sides I am taking black. So here I am going to move my needle like this in a swirl. See this pattern? Here on the thumbnail I am taking four colors. This silver, then this pink one, then this maroon one, and in the corner this black one, and move this needle like this only. And see how beautiful pattern is get created. Now for this nail I am taking pink, and this maroon one, and will move my needle in vertical direction. See, like this. See this pattern? So see these patterns. In just few minutes we have created these patterns, and hope you like this video. And if you have liked this video, then please press the like button. And also if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. So I'll meet you tomorrow with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.